diabetic is one of Sri Lanka's largest non-communicable disease. The main reason people suffer from this is due to the lack of regulation. As long as humans control their blood sugar levels through a healthy plate, taking medication and insulin as recommended by a doctor, everybody can regulate blood sugar levels. From our project, the main goal is to implement an automated system that reminds a diabetic patient to take their meals, medication, insulin at the right times. But even though a patient is under uh, control, he or she needs to check the blood sugar levels regularly so that they know they are in a correct path. To make this a possibility, we have introduced a non-invasive improved glucometer. A non-invasive property is to make the glucometer extremely user-friendly. With the addition of a heart rate is to improve your day-to-day use of glucometer. Due to the addition, future complications due to diabetes can be avoided. First, the following algorithms were built in order to remind the user. Initially, using the keypad, the user is allowed to enter the method which they use to control insulin. If a user controls diabetics using only males, then press A. Our project alerts the user to take their meals right on time. With the use of a real-time clock, this prototype alerts the user during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Similarly, if the user is controlling through medication, the key B is to be pressed in the keypad. He or she is reminded to take their medication after meals. This alert is also controlled by the alarm set in the DS3231 RTC. A patient who is controlling blood sugar levels through insulin, he can press C in the keypad. This results the user to be reminded to take insulin 30 minutes before their meals. Also, the user has to input the number of times they pump insulin, whether it is 1, 2, or 4 times a day. According to the alarms, which will remind the user when to take insulin and meals. If a patient controls diabetic with both insulin and medications, they have to press D in the keypad, which alerts the user to take insulin before meals and to take medicines after meals. This way, a user is directed to regulate their blood glucose level with a constant reminder.
When the user controls their blood glucose level, there is less chance of getting complications to diabetics. Complications such as ratioopathy, nephropathy, cardiovascular disease, peripheral vascular disease. Hypoglycemia is when blood glucose level is lower than the standard range of 70 to 120 milligram per deciliter. Hyperglycemia is when blood glucose level is greater. During hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia, complications can arise. When these arise, change or heart rate can occur. So, in order to give a pre-warning system to the user, we have included the addition of a heart rate sensor, which measures the user heart rate whenever the blood glucose level is too high or too low than required. For the non-invasive glucometer, we have used the principle under near-infrared spectroscopy, where the absorption of light by human tissues is closely related to its wavelength. The 940 nanometer wavelength light sent through the finger is detected by an IR receiver on the other end. The glucose concentration in the blood is determined by analyzing the variation of intensity of the received signal, When light rays interacted with the human body tissues, it attenuated by scattering and absorption by tissue. Using the Beer-Lambert law, a mathematical formula is derived that allowed to calculate the concentration of glucose in extracellular fluid from the absorbance and thickness.
When the fingertip placed between the NIR LED and the IR sensor, signals are further amplified and sent to the Arduino, where a mathematical formula is used to calculate the blood sugar level in the user. The LCD displays the sugar level and if it's too high or too low. The fingertip placed on top of the heart rate sensor affected the flow of light from the IR LED in the heart rate sensor. The light that is reflected will be detected by a photodetector. Signals are filtered and amplified and sent to the Arduino with comparison of a threshold value, and that checks whether the heart rate is in a steady state.
The estimated budget is 5,840 rupees. Even though the initial cost can be slightly high, this project can reduce major costs in hospitals. If a patient controls their blood sugar level, there's no need of checking fasting blood sugar. If complications occur to a patient, severe surgeries have to be done, and this could affect their family and social lives. As well as if blood sugar levels are not controlled in the initial level, it adds burden to the healthcare sector. The products which are available in the market are invasive glucometer, which comes with a set of 10 stripes, Freestyle Libre, Dexcom, and the K-Watch. What makes our product unique from these is that the continuous reminders to regulate and the additional precautions of showing the heart rate as well. If we look into the prototype that we have built up to now, we can see all the components that we have used for it. Keypad, IR LED, the buzzer, heart rate sensor, IR sensor, 16:2 LCD, and also the Uno R3 board, jumper wires, RTC, and the two resistors which come connected to the breadboard, and also the power supply as well. As further improvements, we are looking forward to build a PCB for this, and you can see the schematic that we have designed for it. Our final output of the prototype with the PCB included will have an end result like the 3D design shown here, which can be used to develop into a smartwatch with advanced technology.
Introducing for the first time ever an automated diabetic reminder with an improved non-invasive glucometer. No more skipping meals, medicine, and get your blood sugar level right on track. Just set your alarms today. Press A if you control diabetic using meals, B using meals and medicine, C if you use meals and insulin, and press D if you are a patient who are using medicine, insulin and meals. Enter whether you use insulin once, twice, thrice or 4 times a day. For example, if you are a patient who are using medicine and insulin control diabetics, press B. Then press the amount of time you use insulin, for example 2 times. From here onwards, this prototype will remind the user when it is time to eat your meals and take your medicine and insulin right on time. Each time pricking your fingers to check blood sugar levels? Are you tired of it? Well, we introduce a non-invasive glucometer by simply placing your finger. Your blood glucose level is shown on the screen, and if it's too high, your heart rate will be checked in order to avoid any complications in your future.
I am Dilu Rukusu.
Myself, Nikil Tiaga.
I am Yashod Delga.
And I'm Gita Pereira. We are the team Neuno.